now. So basically, I'm gonna walk you through the room and let you know where I got everything from. And we are going to start over here. So this piece I actually got from Ross. I don't remember the price, but I did record it in a previous video. You can go check that out. And the vase is from Ross as well. The mirror I got from Kirkland's years ago, and I had got a really good deal on it. It was only $14. They have an app called Spin to Win, so if you guys download their app, you can get daily coupons. And then I have these beautiful flowers, and they actually came from Hobby Lobby, and I think it cost me about $100 to do this flower wall. And I would love to update it and add some foliage in there, but for now, this is what I got. So over here, this little footstool came from Hobby Lobby. I got it on sale for $26. And then on top of it, I just set this lovely plant. I absolutely adore this. It was $24.99 from HomeGoods, and I just thought it went perfect with the botanical theme that I'm trying to create. So you see this pineapple, I've had it for a while. This candle smells really amazing, and I'm kind of sad that it's almost gone. So maybe I can find like a candle that would sit inside of it. That way I'm still able to use this as like a candle jar. This little mirrored love sign came from Burlington, and it was $7.99. And I absolutely adore this. It's just so cheerful and super bohemian. And I got this from TJ Maxx. And remember, I told y'all I don't take the tags off of anything. So it was only $16.99 from HomeGoods. So I just absolutely adore that. I'm so sad. My little nephew is one. He's learning how to walk. So basically, he pulled up on these and these snapped off. So I do have to find some replacements. Because I wasn't able to repair them, and a friend of mine told me I could actually pick those up from Lowe's or Home Depot, so I will be checking for those shortly. So over here, guys, is my dining room set. I actually got it from Amazon, and if you want to purchase it, I'll put the links down in the description box below. But I absolutely adore this table set because you could dress it up, you can dress it down, and as you see right now, I just have it dressed up with some botanical pillows to match what's going on. My dog is crazy. And this plant is actually real, guys. I got it from Walmart for $12.88, and it's a fern, and she's beautiful. I don't really know how to care for it. Oreo. So I don't really know how to care for it. I saw on the directions it said to keep it moist and it needs lots of sunlight. So I thought this would be the perfect place, especially because this side of my home has, you know, the sliding patio doors. So I thought this would be a perfect place for the fern. These pictures I actually got from TJ Maxx. Forgive me, I don't remember how much they cost, but in part 2 of my home tour I did in the winter, I actually showed you guys the price and how much they were and all of that. So this is like my absolute favorite thing in the room. It's just like really cute. These are fake succulents, but it's just like really cute and chic and a little bit rustic, but I love how, you know, the succulents just bring more life into the room. And this was $29.99, I believe, at HomeGoods. Guys, so the pillows and the chairs, they all came from HomeGoods. The leafy ones, what I like about them is that they're actually reversible, so they have like a nice stripe pattern on the back. And it was a set of 2 for $19.99. And I love that it has the little natural braided cord around it. And then these striped pillows, they were $16.99 in a set from HomeGoods as well. This gray rug was only like $29.99. I think it's a 4x6, and I got it from Burlington Coat Factory, I believe. Again, in part 2 of my home decor video, the prices were a little bit fresher in my mind back then. So if you want to check out that video, you can see exactly how much it was. But I got it at Burlington. So guys, I'm actually going to be steaming the curtains because the wrinkles kind of bother me. But I love doing 96 length curtains in a room because it definitely makes the room feel a lot taller. And I have really short ceilings, but my space feels really lofty because of the height that the curtains brings in. So this mirror I actually got from Home Goods as well. And then the sconces came from Kirkland's. They used to be blue, but I painted the top of them gold so that they could blend in with my decor. These birds, I think they were $20 each. I got them from Ross. A lot of people in the last video said that they're cranes. Some people said that they're peacocks. I don't know what species of birds they are, but I think they are absolutely gorgeous. Above the fireplace, these are just some shelves that I got from Home Goods. They're two separate ones, and I just decided to put them together so that they could create like a little ledge over the fireplace. The home sign was $7.99 from Burlington as well. And then this little lush foliage, my daughter, when she saw the room, she was like, "Mommy, I really like the green grass on top of the fireplace." And it actually came from Home Goods, and it was $24.99. But I just really think it brings like life into the room, and it really gives a little pop on the fireplace. What I hope to do next is inside of the little sconces, I want to put some type of flowers, like white flowers. I think that would be absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I'm sorry, the curtains. Anyway, the curtains, guys, are from Home Goods as well. They were like $34.99 for a set of two. And I just love them because they're nice and lofty. The plant is a palm that I got from Walmart last year. So I picked up this Wi-Fi sign from Walmart. I thought it was super cute. That's not our Wi-Fi password. But basically you peel this off and then you can just write your Wi-Fi password. It was like $8. I thought that was super cute. The end tables are also from Home Goods as well. They were $79.99 each. And this one, I normally just keep our passports in there. And I have this little picture of my baby and a pen. I don't know why. This little random thing I think came from Burlington. It was only $5.99. But I love the texture of the pot. And the little grass is like super cute. These lamps I already had. All I literally did was change the shade on them. And changing the shade just gave the lamps a completely different life. I wanted to repeat that natural tone in the pillow on the lampshade. So this rug I've had for a while, but I thought it would be really cute. It's not very practical. I'm actually searching for a rug to place here. I want something that's white and shaggy with a little bit of that tan pattern. So I'm still looking for something. So I really just put this down for the video. But it was $36.99 at Ross. And then in this chair, I just have another one of those striped pillows, repeating the pattern from the dining room table. Now over here, I do need to find a different green pillow. This is actually a pillow I used outdoor last year, but I'm still on the hunt for the perfect pillows. I got this one at Home Goods, and I like that it's reversible. So you see on that side, I use the pattern, and then on this side, I just use the linen texture of the pillow, and these are down-filled. I absolutely love that. These were a set of two for $24.99 from Home Goods. And then I just got an additional set of these leaf print pillows. And I really love these because if I ever get sick of looking at that leaf print, you know, we can just turn it over and look at something different, and it still coordinates with the rest of the room. So this blanket is from Home Goods as well. The blanket was $16.99. I adore the texture. Me and Mackenzie are like always cold, and I think it's because I keep my house like an ice box. But to go with that botanical bohemian type theme, I got this blanket because it had a woven texture. It's green, and then it has these beautiful tassels on it. And I just draped it across the couch because it just makes the space look more cozy. Now this is my coffee table. I got this from At Home. I believe it was like $179 or $279. Again, check out the video. All the pricing was fresh on my mind back then. And on top of it, I just added this botanical leaf tray. And this was like $24.99, or matter of fact, it was on clearance for $15 at HomeGoods. So I had to have it. I love, 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 and adore that. It's perfect for if someone's drinking a drink, instead of sitting it on the mirror top, they can just sit it inside of there. And then this is actually a sage plant that I got from Walmart. Guys, if you haven't already, check out the DIY I did on these pots. I got them from the Dollar Tree. But that's just my sage plant, and I thought it would look gorgeous in this room. So over here on this chair, I got these two pillows from HomeGoods as well. I can't believe I got so much stuff from HomeGoods this time. This pillow is absolutely gorgeous. It has these cute little like micro sequins inside of it. And it goes with that lush botanical theme as well. And then this one is natural and has a quatrefoil print on it. I absolutely adore these. I want to get more of these and put them outside inside of my gazebo when I get that up and decorated, because I absolutely adore them. I know this one was $16.99, and yeah, that one was $16.99 too. And so that is just the second lamp. That's just the second lamp, and you can see the nice woven texture on the lamp. I thought was gorgeous. Sorry guys, phone died. I'm not really sure where I left off, but I got these wood paintings from HomeGoods. So really excited about them, and they have a little bit of gold in them. So I just kept the same mirror. I thought no need to change it. It works. It looks good. It still looks like my home. It's beautiful. So I absolutely adore that. And then last thing I want to show you guys are these light fixtures. I got these light fixtures from Amazon. If you guys want, I can do a review on them, but I used to have this ugly like chandelier thing here, but my friend was nice enough to switch them out, and this one is like super blingy, and it looks really good when it's turned on, and it was less than $100. So the link to that is also in the description box below. And then I want to show you guys this crystal chandelier. Oh my god, it is gorgeous. I'm gonna try to turn it on for you. It is beautiful. Like, it's so gorgeous, guys. This one was only like $40 freaking dollars. That's right, $40 on Amazon. I had to put it at my front door. I just thought it was so extra and so freaking cute. So those are the two light fixtures that I added to the room. This one I added because I just wanted something flush to the ceiling. I'm supposed to be getting pot lights installed, so I didn't want anything that would really kind of take away. But I really wish that I would have got another one of these chandeliers and put over there, and I still might. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoy my home. If so, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below which items are your favorite. And until next time, guys, bye.